Hi, I am Prem Kumar. I am talking about testing of cables. Why do we need to test cables? A visual inspection of all the cables in your facility is a great way to find trouble before it gets your downtime. We look for the corrosion on the copper, cracks in the insulation, moisture on the cable, many other indicators of damage to the cable. Classification of cable: mechanical test, electrical test. This is the mechanical test: bending, drainage, free resistance, fire resistance, and corrosion. In electrical testing, persulfate test for copper, annealing test for copper, tensile test for aluminum, warping test for aluminum, conductor resistance for all. Preparation of cable conformity, cable quality, cable functionality. Normal length 50 centimeter to 10 meter. Shield avoid surface leakage current from entering the circuit. IEC voltage separating. The standard aim to consolidate AC and tracking voltage and within the industry and define the following hands. Structure of HVDC cables. The most common configuration of HVDC link consists of two converter stations connected by a overhead power line or undersea cable. Multi-terminal HVDC lines connecting more than 2 points. Dielectric power factor test. Power factor test is a maintenance test used to determine insulation system dielectric power losses by measuring the power angle between an applied AC voltage and the resultant current. Shearing bridge. It is an electrical circuit used for measuring the insulating property of electrical cable and equipments. High voltage test. High voltage test is done by entire length of the cable. It is usually performed by quality the device to operate safely during rated electrical condition. A way to check the effectiveness of its instance. Start. Cable 1 is prepared. Step 1. First cable 1 preferred. HV high voltage. HV high AC voltage 2.5 times rated voltage for 10 minutes. Third step. HVDC. DC voltage 1.8 times rated DC voltage of was negative polarity for 30 minutes. Last step. Stop. Cable ready. Power frequency. Dielectric power factor. Last. Partial discharge test. Discharge measurement. It can be described as small electrical spark that occur in starter winding whenever these are small air gap or avoid or around the insulation. Once the sparking occurs, the starter winding start to deteriorate. Partial discharge test. Locating discharges. With the partial discharge measurement, the dielectric condition of light voltage equipment and be evaluated, and electrical tracking in the insulation can be detected and located in all the required material in the testing. Partial discharge. High voltage supply of low inductance design a cable or other device to test partial discharge detector high voltage connections. Thank you.